choosing the right power tool is critical for DIY success. The truth behind this decision is often misunderstood. Many DIYers grab the closest tool for any task, but using the wrong tool wastes time and risks damage. Today, we compare two essential cordless tools: drill drivers and impact drivers. Both spin bits, but their fundamental operations differ greatly. Understanding these differences empowers your repair efforts. Let's explore each tool's unique design and purpose. First, consider the versatile, classic drill driver. It features an adjustable chuck for various bit types. Drill drivers excel at precise hole drilling tasks. Their adjustable clutch prevents overdriving screws. This clutch slips when reaching a preset torque. You can set specific torque for delicate materials. Typical drill drivers offer RPMs from 0 to 1,800. They provide steady, continuous rotational force, great for pilot holes in wood or metal applications, perfect for assembling furniture with exact screw depth. Now, let's examine the powerful impact driver. This tool uses a unique hammer and anvil mechanism. It delivers short, concussive rotational blows. These impacts provide much higher breakaway torque. Impact drivers feature a quick-release hex shank. This design accepts only specific hex shank bits. They are designed for driving long, large fasteners. Think deck screws, lag bolts, or concrete anchors. Impact drivers often reach 3,000-4,000 impacts per minute IPM. This high IPM prevents cam-out and stripped screw heads. Their power handles stubborn, rusted, or seized fasteners. So, when should you choose one over the other? Use a drill driver for accurate drilling and controlled fastening. Its clutch protects materials from over-tightening damage. Opt for the impact driver for heavy-duty driving. It's unmatched for speed and power when setting fasteners. Never use an impact driver for precise drilling tasks. Its hammering action will produce imprecise, ragged holes. Conversely, a drill driver struggles with long lag screws. It might overheat, strip the screw, or even stall completely. Choosing correctly prevents project frustration and failure. It also extends the lifespan of both your tools and bits. Having both tools is ideal for comprehensive home repairs. Each tool fills a specific. Subscribe and join our community. Mastering their differences elevates your DIY game significantly. Want to learn more? Subscribe and join our community.